Good morning, students. In continuation of chapter 1 chemical reaction and equations of class 10, today we will be going to study the third type of reaction, that is displacement reaction. Before studying this displacement reaction, one should learn the reactivity series. Okay, so here I have a short trick for you for reactivity series, how to learn the reactivity series. केदारनाथ का माली आलू ज़रा फीके पकाता है, कुछ हींग अजवाइन और पड़ते. Where K stands for potassium, Na stand for sodium, Ca for calcium, Mg for magnesium, Al for aluminium, Zn zinc, Fe iron, Pb lead, H hydrogen, Cu copper, Hg mercury, Ag silver, Au gold and Pt platinum. These are highly reactive metals. These are moderate reactive metals and these are least reactive metals. Highly reactive metal can easily replace the least reactive metals from their salt solution. Okay, now come to displacement reaction. Okay, according to the definition of displacement reaction, this chemical reaction in which more reactive element displace the less reactive element from its salt solution is called displacement reaction. See, AB when reacts with C, where C is more reactive than A, C displaces this A from its salt solution and combined with B, it becomes Cb plus A, where C is more reactive than A. Here is an example of this reaction, like iron when react with copper sulfate will give you iron sulfate and copper. This iron is a more reactive than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution, right, and form iron sulfate. And there is an activity in your NCERT also, okay, related to this reaction. Iron nail becomes brownish in the color by the deposition of copper, and blue color of the copper sulfate changes to dirty green color due to the formation of iron sulfate. Okay, this is another example where zinc react with copper sulfate will give you zinc sulfate and copper. Zinc is again more reactive than copper. Okay, now coming to double displacement reactions. Double displacement reactions are those reactions in which new compounds are formed by the mutual exchange of ion between two compounds, like AB is one compound and CD is another compound. A combined with D and B combined with C. Okay, here you can see this, C combined with B and A combines with D. Example of double displacement reaction is when sodium sulfate reacts with barium chloride will give you barium sulfate and NaCl. Okay, this is cation, this is anion. Here this is cation, anion, cation, anion. This cation combined with this anion and this cation combined with this anion. Okay, likewise this sodium combined with this chloride ion and sulfate with barium form barium sulfate, and white color precipitate formation is there. Okay, another example is barium chloride when react with aluminium sulfate will give you barium sulfate and aluminium chloride. Here also barium sulfate precipitation formation taking place. Okay, double displacement reaction is also kind of endothermic reaction in nature. Thank you.